Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create invitation link for video calls on WhatsApp on PC and laptop, not on the mobile application of WhatsApp. So let us guide you through it. Launch WhatsApp on your computer or on your laptop, and basically guys, what you need to do is click into that phone or a phone call icon in the top left corner. Click into it, and here simply, instead of starting a new call, click into new call link to create an invitation link. And after that, the invitation link will be created so that you can now copy it by clicking into this button, copy it to your clipboard, and for example, send it to your contacts via direct messaging services other than WhatsApp, or I don't know, via email, social media posts. But you can send the invitation link also via WhatsApp here. And after that, simply select one of your contacts, for instance, to invite the given user to a video call, and wait for the given user to either accept or decline the invitation. And that's it guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.